Bernardes used to work in kitchens. For almost 10 years, he worked as chef, cook, even dishwasher. Long hours, physical work, no real time off. At some point, Bernardes hit a wall. He wanted something different, more stability, and a job you can actually leave at work. So Bernardes took time to recover and reset. One thing was clear, he still wanted to work with his hands. Then he found Extra Maale. One call, one interview, and a fresh start. Today, Bernardes works in CNC machining. He finishes precision metal parts, cleaning, refining, adjusting details that machines can't reach. It's focused work, precise, hands-on. And outside of work, he makes jewelry, rings and earrings, where patience and precision matter just as much. That same mindset carries into his job. The work isn't actually repetitive. Every part is different. Every detail needs a solution. You're not just doing, you're thinking. And that's what keeps it interesting. Time moves fast. For Bernardes, this isn't just a new job. It's a better rhythm of life and a craft he keeps building every day.